Imagine earning up to $400 per day just typing names on the internet. How amazing is that? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As you can see, inputting a single page of names can bring in $15. You can earn up to $75 if you type 5 pages and $300 if you type 20 pages per day. The best thing about it is that there are no limitations. You have complete freedom to type as much as you want and earn as much as you want. This is something you can accomplish on your computer or on your phone. It's also completely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. To prevent missing out on the sign-up process, which is actually quite challenging, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. And the majority of people get it wrong. Welcome to The Moneymaker, where we will teach you the most current, up-to-date online money-making ideas and give you some tips and tricks as well. Remember, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, turn on the notification bells, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Now, let's get back to the video. As you can see, we can estimate how much money you can make from this new possibility by using the calculator on our website. Pay attention to the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can be paid per word. In this example, $0.5 that you type. A typical page contains roughly 300 words. Let me show you where you can get paid $15 for writing 300 words on this page. As I scroll down, I can see that there are a total of 300 names, implying that inputting names on this website can earn you $15 and 300 words every page. This is a terrific money-making opportunity. Think about it. At $15 a page, we can receive up to 20 pages per day, which means you can easily earn $300 or $400 per day only typing names on this website. First and foremost, I would like you to visit this website, talentdesire.com. Earn money from home without having to invest any money. This chance is completely free. To get started, you don't need to invest any money. As you scroll down, you'll notice that they offer a variety of work-at-home options, such as online proofreading employment, freelance, blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. There are a variety of tasks available, but for the purposes of this video, we'll concentrate on online typing jobs because it's one of the easiest things to accomplish on this website. It also demands no prior experience or technical knowledge. Take a look at this now. You can make anywhere from $13,500 to $27,000 each year. In terms of joining fees, you can see that registration is completely free and there are no hidden expenses either before or after you join. We also don't ask you any investment at this point. Right now, you can take advantage of a completely free and global opportunity. As you can see, based on your skill level, you'll be paid varying amounts of money, ranging from beginners to professionals. As you can see that even if you are a total newbie, you may get compensated whether you are an expert or not. Before we dive any further, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down in the section below. We love to hear from you. Now, it's time to return to work and start earning some more money. The first bonus tip is as follows. Simply typing names into a search engine can help you get a higher rate. Ratatype.com is the website to visit. Essentially, this is the website's homepage where you can take a free typing test. Essentially, the homepage of the website is where you can take a free typing test. Then, right here, click on the yellow symbol and you'll be redirected to this page where you may begin typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing test since you'll get a typing certificate from this website. You can get the certificate for free and you will need it because it will boost your earnings and earnings rate per page. If you want to earn $15 per page due to type, for example, make sure you acquire the certificate. This is the greatest secret since you'll be accepted much faster and have access to more high-paying ties and limited employment prospects if you're brand new and have the credentials and prove to them that you can type. As a result, inputting names will enable you to make $300 to $400 every single day. As a result, it's critical that you keep an eye on the screen to understand how to receive your certificate and complete the registration on talentdesire.com application. When you start typing on this page, it will calculate how many words per minute you can type, as well as your accuracy, including whether you have any spelling or typing mistakes. As you can see, your accuracy level should be between 98 and 99%. The higher your accuracy, the better. You may demonstrate both your typing speed and accuracy which will quickly raise your employment rate by completing a typing test and acquiring a certificate from this website. Don't worry if your accuracy rate is less than 98%. You can always return to ratatype.com and take the typing test for free till your speed and accuracy improves. You can now join up for a free account by scrolling down and clicking on this link right here if you arrived at satisfactory results. By providing your name, email address, and password, you can create a free account. So after agreeing to the terms and conditions, click the yellow sign up button. When you scroll down and click on the certificate, you'll notice that it reads granted to your name for typing in English, and they'll even show you the ratatype.com signature to ensure that it's genuine. This certificate will be extremely valuable to you. You could be compensated at a much higher rate. When you go down again, you can actually click on this print button right here, but don't worry, this can be done on your computer or on your mobile phone. All you have to do is look at your certificate's image or save it as a PDF file. Simply press the save button. We're now going to go back to talentdesire.com. Once you've obtained the certificate, you're ready to go. As a result, you can begin applying for this position. When you come to the bottom of this page, click the red Apply Now button to be taken to this page where you can start applying for employment. Then just scroll down to discover what's on offer. Select a program to use. After that, we'll go to this page to fill out an online application for work from home jobs. Click on this red button, scroll down until you see fill up your details to apply and work with us. If you can't find the registration page, make sure that you rewatch this video and also save it as a bookmark or to your watch later playlist. You'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information if you scroll down to the bottom of this page. Accept the privacy policy first, then enter your first and last names, as well as your email address, phone, numbers, and country before clicking the down arrow. They welcome people from all over the world, including India, Nigeria, Philippines, the United Kingdom, United States of America, Pakistan, among others. Now, it's time to move on to the next stage. This area is essentially all about your professional information, and it is a critical section that the majority of individuals overlook. Now, I'd like you to fill out the job title form, making sure to input the job title precisely as it appears below, and then select the best time for you. Then, right here, click the down arrow and choose any time you want. Although I recommend all day because it will give you more possibilities in jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Then, using the down arrow here, choose between PayPal, Pioneer, Wise Transfer, or direct deposit as the best method for getting your earnings. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page to see and select your current professional standing. Once you've completed all the fields, click yes, I've read and accept the following statement, and don't forget to sign. Simply type in your entire name and click on I'm not a robot. After that, press the submit button. After you've been accepted, you can start getting typing name tasks like this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words. And that's just the first page. The second page will also cost $15, and the third one will cost $15, and so forth. You can earn $15 for each page you type, but you must submit your work on time in order to continue receiving daily jobs. That's all there is to it. If you enjoy similar topics, check out my other videos, and if you like what you've seen, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any further questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.